Segmentation, memory management scheme that supports user view of the memory. Segmentation is a continuation of a memory management chapter. A program is a collection of segments. So a segment is nothing but a logical unit which could be main memory, procedure, function, method, object, local variables, global variables, common block, stack, symbol, table, array. So it can be any one of these logical elements. So a segment is a logical unit which could be a main program or a procedure or a function or a method, object, local variables, global variables, stack, common block, symbolic tables or arrays. So a program is a collection of segments. So segment can be one of the logical units. Segmentation is one of the important concept of memory management. So user view of a program. User view of a program. So here logical address of a program, that is, it is divided into various other sub logical units. So it could be subroutine or a stack or a symbol table, main program or a square root. So this is a user view of a program. User point of view, how a program appears in terms of a logical address. Logical view of segmentation. So in this diagram there are two things to remember: user space and physical memory space. Physical memory space, I told you in the previous lectures how the physical memory is divided into and how the logical memory is divided. So here user space, there are four elements here which is named as 1, 2, 3 and 4, and this will occupy the locations in the physical memory space. So it can occupy any of the memory spaces here. So whichever is not occupied or empty blocks, those blocks are appearing in a somewhat blue color shade. Logical view of segmentation. Now segmentation architecture. Logical address consists of two tuples, segment number and offset, and even segmentation architecture has a segment table which maps two-dimensional physical address. Each table entry has a base and a limit. Base contains the starting physical address, whereas where the segment resides in memory. Limit specifies the length of the segment. So segment table maps two-dimensional physical address. Each table entry, each segment table has two important components, base and limit. Base contains a starting physical address where the segment resides in the memory, and limit specifies the length of the segment. So logical address of a segmentation architecture consists of two sections, segment number and offset, and a segment table. Even segment table is similar to a page table. Page table already in paging you have studied. So segmentation table is also like a page table, but here segment table has two different components, base and limit. What is a base? Base contains a starting physical address where the segments resides in the memory. Limit specifies the length of the segment. So this is the diagrammatic representation of the segmentation hardware, CPU, and that is S is nothing but segment. D, it could be an offset address. Segment table, limit and base. Segment table consists of two components, limit and base. So entire table has two components. So see the condition there. If it is less than, we have to see two conditions here, that is yes and no for this particular segment hardware. Yes and no. If CPU with this particular offset, then checking this condition, when this condition is checked along with this segment table, two possibilities are there. If it is yes means then the segment table contents with this segment offset contents altogether is added and sent into the physical memory. If the condition is no, if the condition is no means trap addressing error. There will be addressing error. So just to remember the segmentation hardware, how it is diagrammatically represented. Please remember this particular part of the segment. It was told in the previous slide, that is segmentation architecture. Logical address, that is segment number, and offset, that is nothing but this S and D. This is segment number, this is offset. This gives the value here, that is the complete S that is stored here. The value of this S is stored here, that with this segment table data, that is limit and base together comprises of the segment table. This goes to the physical memory if the condition is S. If the condition is no, means addressing a error.